In this video, I'll show you how to create a group in WhatsApp. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the green chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select New Group from the top of the list. Choose the contacts you want to add to the group by tapping their names, then tap the green arrow at the bottom. Enter a group name, make it something fun or relevant, and tap the camera icon to set a group photo if you want. Finally, tap the green check mark and your group is created. You can now start chatting, sharing media, and more with your group members. That's it, you've successfully created a WhatsApp group. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.